Guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will learn how we can create a V grid as like here we have already created with the vertical stack. So how we can create in a V grid, because it is in latest Xcode 12. So we need Xcode 12 or beta Xcode 12. So before this it was not available. So for this we will use a vgrid, lazy vgrid. So let's get started with like this. Let's get started with the code. So for this I have here a movies model you can create. I will provide the link for the model and the array for the movies. So I have already created this, so it will not take much time to show the exact. And here I have already added a columns in which we will provide the grid item of flexible width and height. If you want to add the fixed width, then you can add fixed here. So for now we will add a flexible height width. Then we will start with the code. First of all we will add a navigation view, then a scroll view, lazy stack with columns. Sorry, it's not lazy stack, it's lazy grid. Columns will be these one, and alignment we don't need this, and we will add spacing 10 and remove the alignment from here, and we don't need this one also. So for now what we need is this, and remove this one. So for inside this we need to add a for each loop in which we will pass movies, and id will be name, this one, it will be unique. So after this we will add a movie model here, movie n, and then we will add a v stack. So side by side we will resume this, so it will show the results here. So then after v stack we will add an image with the name of movie dot image name and resizable dot frame. We will add a frame of width. We will add height only, then it will adjust according to the height UI screen dot man dot bounds width divided by 2, and the corner radius will be 10. Then we will add a text here. What it is doing right now, let's see. Okay, here you have stack of movies. So for now we need to add a title over and the movie title and the leading and trailing space. For this we will add a title here, uh, text movie dot name and make it font headline dot foreground color dot white and padding from bottom. Right now it is not showing because we have not given a background color to the v stack. So for that, first we will add bottom dot 15 13. Then we will add a background color that will be picked from the movie model. So back color. So now you can see that there is a back color. Then we will add a modifier to the. I have created a custom modifier, so it will create a neuromorphic view on the cell of the VGrid. So for that I have already created a modifier custom text field modifier. Now you will see the radius because it is created over here. So you can see I have given a tutorial for this before. So this will look like this. Then we will add padding from leading and trailing to this one. Not for this one, for this one. Padding dot leading will be 10. As you can see, it will add a padding to the. It's loading right now. It is adding the padding from the leading, and then we will add a padding from the trailing. It will be 10. Then you will able to see the trailing from the trailing. So now what we have to do is that add navigation title outside this. Navigation title will be movies. Now you will be able to see the title of the. So now you can see this is all about the vertical stack in VGrid in SwiftUI. It is latest in Xcode 12. So this is how it will work. So that's all for today's tutorial. I will provide the code in link in description, so you can check the code and add images whatever you want to add, and the content you want to add. And this is the main logic for this LazyVGrid, and then for each loop. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much.